Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for gaming videos. First, let's get your project set up. Begin by importing all your gaming footage and audio files directly into the media pool. It's a good practice to organize these clips into clearly labeled bins for easy navigation later. Next, ensure your project's frame rate matches your original source footage, typically 60 frames per second. Finally, select a suitable timeline resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, to match your desired output quality. Now, let's dive into the core editing process. Start by trimming and cutting out any unnecessary or dull sections from your gameplay footage to keep viewers engaged. Carefully arrange your clips on the timeline to build a cohesive and exciting story. Incorporate smooth transitions between different scenes to maintain a professional look. Don't forget to adjust your audio levels, ensuring your commentary is clear and balanced with the game's sound effects and music. To truly make your gaming videos stand out, focus on visual and audio enhancements. Head over to the color page to apply vibrant color corrections, making your gameplay pop. Utilize the built-in scopes to maintain consistent color and exposure throughout your entire video. On the Fairlight page, reduce any distracting background noise from your voiceovers, ensuring crystal clear commentary. Finally, strategically add engaging background music and sound effects to elevate the overall viewer experience. You've created an amazing gaming video, and now it's time to share it with the world. Navigate to the Deliver page. Here, you'll select your preferred export format, commonly MP4 or MOV, and choose a high-quality codec like H.264 for excellent compression. Ensure your resolution and frame rate match your project settings for optimal playback. Finally, hit the Render All button to export your masterpiece, ready for upload to platforms like YouTube or Twitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.